Hey folks, I'm about to open a 1990 baseball player package. Here's the package. Let's see what's inside. What kind of mystery find inside? It comes with these stickers. Giants. One of my favorite teams. Remember this guy, A's, for a long time. Good third baseman. I'm just gonna go through the cards, see what anyone's we're talking about, or kind of could get Griffey Jr. Really got rookie cards. Products. These two guys. I gotta look it up, see how. I don't remember these guys at all. Let's see, Junior Felix, rookie year. Yeah, Junior Felix rookie card. I could get rookie cards. Oh, George Brett, 10th anniversary. Yeah, Hall of Famer. So this pretty much was in the package. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Hope I get better doing this. You have a great day. And with this channel, we do different things every time. Try to make this channel more interesting. Thank you for watching. Bye.